Welcome to the One Button Studio at University of Miami Libraries, a recording studio located in Richter Library that can be used by faculty to record videos in a studio space. On the day of your reservation, pick up the key to the room at the Access Services desk of Richter Library. The Faculty Exploratory, where the One Button Studio is located, is on the third floor, room 305. Inside the room, the One Button Studio is located in the back. There is a curtain in place to help with the sound quality of your recording. The One Button Studio consists of a media cart with a video camera and computer, and the recording space with a backdrop, lights, and a microphone. Turn the studio lights on by turning on the power to the power strip next to the backdrop. Once the studio lights are on, decide what backdrop you want to use in your video. The green screen can be brought up or down by the red chain mechanism near the wall. Behind the green backdrop is a neutral gray background you can also use. It's time to turn on the camera and computer system. Insert your flash drive into the USB port. We recommend an empty flash drive with a minimum of 8 GB on it. Once you insert the flash drive, the application will turn the camera on and you will see the studio area appear on the screen. You can begin recording now by pressing the button located by the camera. You can also use the remote control by the monitor to frame your video to your liking. With the remote control, you can zoom the camera in and out, pan the camera from side to side, and up and down. There is black tape placed on the floor that is the ideal spot to stand in relation to the microphone. Once you are ready to begin recording, press the button. A countdown will appear on the screen that will give you time to move into the studio area before the recording officially starts. Now you can begin your recording. When you are finished, press the same button you used to record in order to stop the recording. On the screen, the application will prompt you to wait while the video is saved to your flash drive and when it can be safely removed. You can now take your video with you to edit and share as you like.